What if you could connect all of your favorite apps? We're talking Google Drive, Slack, Gmail, Notion, in like a minute without writing a single line of code. It sounds kind of like magic, right? But it's totally real, and it's all thanks to one simple idea: connectors. Let's dive in and see how these can completely change the way you work.
Just think about that. No more manually checking folders. No more copying and pasting links into a channel. The second a file hits that drive, your team knows about it. And look, this isn't just a small convenience. It's a massive shift in your workflow. And honestly, that's just scratching the surface.
So how does all this automation actually work behind the scenes? Well, it all comes down to one core concept. Let's take a look at the fundamental building blocks that make everything possible.
You know, the easiest way to think about a connector is like a Lego brick, but for your software. Every app you use, Slack, Gmail, you name it, is a different kind of brick. They're useful on their own, for sure, but when you use a connector to snap them together, you can build something totally new, a seamless, automated process.
And here's the best part. You do not need to be a developer to do this. Seriously, there are no complicated programming languages to learn. Instead, it's all done through these visual drag-and-drop interfaces. If you can move a mouse, you can build some seriously powerful automations.
Okay, so here's what that looks like in a classic workflow. Let's say someone fills out a form which creates a new row in a Google Sheet. That action right there, that's the trigger. Instantly, the connector grabs that new data, sends it over to Slack, and boom, a custom message pops up for your team. It's simple, it's instant, and it's completely hands-off.
So that's the basic idea, right? But the real magic, the real aha moment, is when you see these connectors in action. So let's check out some of the most popular tools and see what becomes possible when we start linking them all together.
With these guys, you can automatically sort files in Google Drive, fire off alerts with Slack, or manage entire projects in Notion. You can even have it parse incoming emails for you. And this is where it gets really exciting. You can integrate AI to summarize text or generate content, making your workflows not just automated, but genuinely smart.
Just think about syncing your calendar. The manual way is such a drag. You check your calendar, you open up Notion, you create a new note, then you have to copy and paste all the details over. Ugh! The automated way? It just happens. A new event pops up on your calendar, and instantly, a perfectly formatted meeting page is just waiting for you in Notion. Or how about backing up recordings? We've all been there. You finish a Zoom call, you tell yourself you'll download the file later, and then you completely forget. With an automated workflow, the moment that Zoom recording is ready, it's already being uploaded to your Dropbox or Google Drive. This is about more than just saving time. It's about peace of mind.
Now, everything we've seen so far is incredibly powerful. But what happens when that one tool you absolutely depend on isn't on the official list? Are you just stuck? No way. There's a pro-level move for this, and it is a total game changer.
Yeah, this is a super common frustration. You've got that one niche app that's just critical to how you work, but there's no pre-built connector for it. So does that mean you're back to doing everything by hand? Not at all.
Let me introduce you to your new automation superpower, the HTTP request node. Think of it like a universal adapter for the internet. See, most web services have something called an API, which is really just a standard way for different pieces of software to talk to each other. Using an API key, which is like a secure password, this little node lets you connect to basically any platform out there. Your possibilities just became infinite.
Okay, so let's boil this all down. Key takeaway number 1. Connectors are the building blocks that let your apps talk to each other. 2, you can do all this with simple drag-and-drop tools, no coding required. 3, all your favorite apps like Google Drive and Slack are ready to go. And 4, for pretty much everything else, the HTTP node is your universal key. And a pro tip, as you start building, add some error handling to your workflows. It'll make them way more reliable.
And that brings us to the final and most important question. Now that you see what's possible, think about your own workday. What is that one repetitive, annoying, manual task you just wish would disappear? What's the very first thing you're going to automate? Let us know. And if you're ready to jump in, check out the description for a link to a free template pack to get you started.